Hello? No, this is Digital Dork. Ugh! Okay, so we know everyone wants to be famous, right? But out of the thousands of wannabe influencers who hit your For You page every day, only a handful actually have what it takes to make it. So much of succeeding as a vlogger is about how charismatic you are as a person. Hello? Why do you think you're watching this video right now? But honestly, you could be the coolest person in the world, but if your video looks like crap, I'm not gonna watch it. Quality is super important, especially when you're putting out multiple videos a week. But there are so many products out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. So today, I'm going to talk to you about some of the best tech for vloggers, because I'm generous like that. You're welcome. 1. A camera. This might seem obvious, but for the love of all that good and holy, get yourself a camera. Sure, it's a big investment up front, but it's so worth it. Of course, depending on the content you're filming, you might need something super specific. But in general, you want to look for something that can produce at least 4K resolution, because you want that picture to look good, baby. You also want a camera that is going to be able to keep track of you without lagging. You don't want your videos to be bouncing in and out of focus. That gives me a headache. There are lots of great options, but there are some excellent options from Fuji, GoPro, if you're an adventurous vlogger. 2. Mics. Remember when I said I won't watch something if the quality is bad? Well, sound is a huge part of that. If something sounds patchy or far away, it totally takes away from the overall experience. I highly recommend getting at least one good quality microphone to immediately elevate your videos to a profesh quality. Rode is a go-to for vloggers and film and TV professionals all over the world, and they have mics for every imaginable scenario. 3. Lights. Of course, if you're jet setting around the world, which is rude unless you take me with you, you might not be taking lights with you into every restaurant. But if you're filming anything at home or in a studio, then it's important to have a good lighting setup. Like cameras and mics, lights can come with a hefty price tag, but you don't need to go crazy immediately. I'd recommend starting with a good ring light or softbox lighting. Usually you can find some good kits for a couple hundred on Amazon or at your local electronics store. What's important is that you stay away from harsh indoor lighting or anything that casts too many shadows over your face. Every vlogger out there is going to have different needs, but a good camera, mic, and lights are some of the best places to start. If you're short on cash, I recommend looking for used equipment. Often, you can get some pretty good deals. And remember, you don't need to have a full setup immediately. Many people get a simple mic and one ring light and use that until their following grows big enough that they can invest in some studio-worthy gear. I hope you liked this video, and if you didn't, you should follow me anyways at onlyfans.com/digitaldork. Let's get synced.